When the installer file has downloaded, you can open it by double-clicking on the execution file. After the extraction of the installation file is finished, the program language selection window will appear. You can choose one of 5 suggested languages in which the program will work after installation and activation. Confirm your choice and the Setup Wizard dialog box will appear. There are no important settings in this step, so let's click on the Next button and we will be moved to the next dialog box. Here you should read the end-user license agreement and agree to the license terms of use to proceed to the next step of the installation. The following dialog box allows us to configure the installation path and the modules to be installed if you purchase them. When you click on the Install button, the installation of the application will begin. After successful installation, the registration wizard will automatically start, where the nanoCAD registration procedure will be started. If the registration wizard does not start automatically, you can use the registration wizard application. You can choose from 3 options. The Enter the serial number to get a license file option starts the procedure for obtaining the license file. The Manually Activate License File option allows us to specify the path to the license file if we received it earlier by email. And the last Connect to License Server option allows us to connect to the license server if we have a network license. To start the program activation process, select the first option, enter the serial number to get a license file. At the next stage you will need to enter your serial number, which you can find at the link below. Insert the serial number and proceed to the next step. Here you need to specify your email. Confirm the action, after which a window will appear warning us that the license will be attached to this device. Next, to get a license file for your computer, you also have 3 options. The first Request License File Online option is the most commonly used. This option activates the license automatically using an internet connection. If the first method fails, use the second Request License File by Email option. It allows you to automatically generate a request letter and send it to our license server, and then you will receive a reply letter with the license file. If you have an email application installed on your computer, it will be opened automatically. If there is no internet connection on your computer, use the third Save License Request to File option. It allows you to generate a request file, which you need to send to our technical support by email from the internet-connected computer. The last 2 options allow you to get a license file that you will need to activate manually. To use this file, you need to run the activation procedure again by opening a program that hasn't been activated yet, or by using the Registration Wizard application, where you need to select the Manually Activate License File option on the first step. If you have an internet connection, let's choose the easiest activation option, Request License File Online. After a small amount of time, if all steps have been done correctly and you have a nanoCAD activation key, the program will be activated. If you receive an activation error during the process, please use one of the remaining options. If you have any questions, please contact our technical support by email, support@nanocad.com.